Hello students, today we will know some proverbs translate into Mizo language for the program of Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat. As I Prem Sagar Pandit, TGT English from KV number 1 Brownie. Firstly, first proverb in हिंदी, एक ऐसा शासक जो कभी भी क्रूरता से भरा शासन न किया हो। एक ऐसा शासक जो कभी भी क्रूरता से भरा शासन न किया हो। We can say in Mizo, लाल नगाइलो लाल एना, लाल नगाइलो लाल एना. And in English, a man who never ruled or rules oppressively. Second proverb in Hindi, नाच न जाने आंगन टेढ़ा, नाच न जाने आंगन टेढ़ा. In Mizo, Themthiam, Lovin and Hariam and Mavchiat. Again, in Mizo, Themthiam, Lovin and Hariam and Mavchiat. And we can say in English, bad workmen blame their tools. Bad workmen blame their tools. Third number, कल करे सो आज करे सो अब. We can say in Mizo, भाविना तिहतुर नकटुका तिह ए खेक्सो. Again, भाविना तिहतुर नकटुका तिह ए खेक्सो. We can say in English, don't put off till tomorrow what should be done today. Don't put off till tomorrow what should be done today. Fourth number, हमें अपनी प्रशंसा स्वयं नहीं करनी चाहिए बल्कि दूसरे आपकी प्रशंसा स्वयं करें. We can say in Mizo, मानी इनफाक लेह साखी अंगाल ए इंगमा ए बेटलो. मानी इनफाक लेह साखी अंगाल ए इंगमा ए बेटलो. We can say in English, there is no more self-praise than on the scene of a stag. Fifth number in Hindi, सत्य परेशान हो सकता है पर पराजित नहीं. सत्य परेशान हो सकता है पर पराजित नहीं. इन Mizo, जाऊंग तुआर आइन अंगाविन अत्वार. जाऊंग तुआर आइन अंगाविन अत्वार. In English, the innocent suffer instead of the guilty. The innocent suffer instead of the guilty. Sixth number, proverb in Hindi, जो शासक शोषण करते हैं वह सामान्यतः शोषित होते हैं. In Mizo, अभावतु इन एक ए चेह तिह अंग आनी. Again, अभावतु इन एक ए चेह तिह अंग आनी. And in English, it is like the oppressor saying he is being oppressed. So, today we have been studied and knew about some of the proverbs which are generally said into Mizo language. You have to practice on these proverbs for every students, and it is essential for your program Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat. So thank you for listening and watching.